OFT, over the Kogo, the Sabo, the Bishop, OFC, the CEO, Big Brick Entertainment Gang, and OFC TV, the home of entertainment where you get the latest gist. When I sit around the lab, because today I have a very special guest in the house by the name MC Maintain, the baddest MC of Zaria, man. MC Maintain, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Now we're going to speak up for breaking because now comedy say that we'll feed the laugh, may your audience they laugh. Now I get plenty questions to ask because the rule of this program today they call truth to the core. Meaning say anything I ask you if you lie on our channel, people go drop comments, embarrass you, tell you say you lie. Meaning say you don't fuck up. You dey feel me, bro? The first question where they say you don't give girl belle before.
I no go lie. I don't do am.
Okay, if you don't give girl belle, like how many times, okay? Like how many abortions don't happen for your sake? How many prostitutes they don't drink for your sake?
That's so. I don't give, but I know to know how many, but at least few, like one or two, something like that.
Like you mean say with this baby man, now only two.
Now only two, but even the two safe. The last one, I don't believe I say I do am. But when the guy they take talk, I don't believe I'm saying I do am. How you go tell me say that maybe the last person we do before you don't see your period? You don't know when you supposed to see your period. You don't understand. So that last one I don't believe I'm. More don't live say na two. You understand?
Okay, the next one many people don't come TV station cut us say they know they drink, they know they smoke. After your lips come black like say you
the lips na natural. My father said don't complain about them, but I tell her say na the type one we get na me self get. So na natural. But for the drinking aspect, sometimes people say body no be firewood. Sometimes I'll just take one bottle just to forget my sorrows. You understand?
One bottle.
Make I forget my sorrows. You understand?
One bottle.
When I take and finish, the sorrows they come back. My guy, that's it.
So you will take another extra bottle to forget your sorrows?
No, I'll leave the day like that.
So if I buy you like 7 bottles now?
No, I don't fit.
You will take one.
Everybody know me knows MC Maintain. If you take 2, you forget what they do. So now one I take. If I take 1, that's all. And the one say na occasional. I wanna see say oh boy. Maga don't pay, I suppose jubilate small, you understand? Now my reverend father they tell me say make I no talk. Maybe they hear me. Still on the matter how else they hear you.
Yeah, no, alright. The next one we say you don't beat woman before.
For that one, Sha, I no one beat. I don't slap. If you say beat double like say I give her boom boom boom. I only slap woman once. The reality of the two, I don't slap woman once, the team pay me. This girl just come out from my house, just go meet one guy, and they tell me say the girl they go meet the guy, I no be believer. Now the girl where you know.
Okay.
They tell me say this girl they go meet this guy, I no be believer. I come out now just say the girl they come out for the guy house, and after she say no, wait, out of annoyance. I remember how much I spent for the girl. Understand? To trek from here always the escort girl they go FC, escort girl go come back. Even when during rainy season pass, you know say Jushiro to FC, he bad. Whatever go there, I go carry this girl like this. So that I don't go touch ground. You don't say she won't go see somebody.
So you can't turn automatic canoe.
And they tell you.
Because you be like this now. I want to ask you one question. No verse. So you get money, I be you poor.
Are they in between? In between, I no get a poor. You understand? If you talk about say, I get, are they like those kind don't go to senior men we get money. If you talk about a poor, are they like their David song? They are you down, you understand? If you talk about say I poor, I did like those people. Now are they in between? You understand? But my in between what are they? I guess they pass you because you are not poor, you are not rich, you are poor. You understand? That is it.
As you poor like this, because looking at you all this one, I don't say that poor as well. As you poor like this, like a woman call your life, can say, Maintain, I want to sponsor your career.
Hey, this can make me push your head. My brother. Oh boy, forget this other video. Any woman say they watch this video, you say yours, Baba, as I did like this is my life. In fact, not only me, I'm talking on behalf of people that are in the studio. You understand? This is my life like this. Any woman, you are anywhere you are, say you get your own. Get small money, you dey work, food no be a problem. Please come and carry me. Please. I dey talk on behalf of these people, all of us will be less privileged. Yeah, they be some they are here too, sir. That's so.
Alright, the next one they be say, are you in a relationship? You get girlfriend?
Guess yeah, I get girlfriend, but it can't be like say I don't get. Me I no dey lie.
Remember. The root
Yes,
of
this
program.
is true to the core. Na my mind I dey talk. I get girlfriend but e be like say I no get.
So like you know if you show us your girlfriend for TV now, like.
I feel partially show my girlfriend, but the level where she dey carry me now, I don't know gaskiya. The girl no dey too carry me. I don't know.
Okay, you try tell us say this girl now dey chop your money, abi she dey chop your money come dey no dey help you, she dey kill your career, abi she dey help your career, which one? But
She no too understand me. The best of the talk
No.
say she no too understand me. The girl in the way we dey talk about now, if you hear me, I will still talk name. Make I talk name.
Talk the name abi.
The girl wey dey talk about na Charity. To talk the truth, if you dey hear me, wetin dey do me sometimes, I no dey too like am. Na my babe, allow me to complain, please.
Sorry.
Let me, you say you have your problem.
Sorry.
When you come to your problem, cry for yourself. Let everybody, even Jesus talk and say, don't cry for me, cry for your children.
Which part of the Bible talk that one?
Bible na him talk am.
Which part of the Bible talk that one?
I know say na Bible talk am. Understand?
No dey quote wetin God no quote.
No, but seriously, you know now, una wey dey here, una know. Say when we Catholic, we know when they carry Jesus for cross, women of Jerusalem come rush, come dey cry, say, hey, our Lord, I say, women of Jerusalem, don't cry for me, cry for your children. You dey hear me? You dey laugh past people wey dey hear you, guys. Take am easy.
All right. I'm still on the matter. One of the last questions I will ask you today be say, when you dey for stage, dey perform, dey do your comedy, and people just dey look you in that kind. This guy dey talk rubbish, dey make noise. Do come down. How you dey take control that tension? Say you dey perform, nobody dey enjoy what you dey do. How you dey control the tension of that?
OFC, this one touch me. Sometimes it dey happen like that. All entertainers, it dey happen like that. You must not go everywhere. Say everywhere where you dey go, you must say, "Kai, Baba, I must pull crowd. I must." Yes, sometimes you must do your best. They say do the best, do your best, and leave the rest. As you don dey try do your best, crowd say, "Baba, they no like am, they no do like, they no that." Sometimes you no go show say you dey vex because you know say some days are meant to be so. So you go just reason as okay, make I just do my best, sha. Crack wetin you suppose crack. People go laugh. People say because any way you do for event must get people go in for mind. They go dey like this. Like we comedian we dey try you and they everybody talk and say, hey, boy, if I go show 8 people laugh, I thank God. I go event center, but I know say people must laugh because people of these days now for this coronavirus so we dey baba. Somebody, especially this January, somebody dey, he never chop, he never pay children school fees, he dey landlords dey for him head, he dey baba matter plenty.
It's okay. The way they talk, I come here as if you won't cry.
No, I remember some things. Before this interview, I go still tell them. Before this interview, normally I go interview last year for Abuja. Somebody just come and say, "What did they do any interview?" Say make I just go there. At least I be coming up artist. I go there before they do me anything. They first do me makeup, touch me one fine girl first, touch me. During the break, and they don't say, "But during the break, then buy me small." They say, "Well, what do you need?" Then buy me what I need. Then give me. They come ask me say, "Do you want to swim? Do you need any timpo?" Now me come tell them say, no, I don't need it, please. I don't do that. But for year, my brother,
seat where they like thief.
For year, I come here. I tell this guy, say, "Baba, they feel hungry." My people, this are not be joke. I swear to God, I mean how. Now true to the core. That's why they tell me. Ordinary. This guy, no come on, go by people. Keep telling me problem. Say, "Baba, my problem now this, my problem." OFC. Make I don't tell them.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't come to the end of this program. But before we go, the last question we want to ask MC Maintain be say, this one's simple. You know, say they say sometimes guy go day room, woman go hungry and to see, in babe no go come. Some guys will come they see their soap like their babe.
So.
You don't ever see your soap like your babe before?
No, I never see her like that before. That one, thank God, I be wakoma.
You be wakoma. So you never practice waiting and normally they sing.
No, I never practice.
With the way you like maintain, you look like person where.
That's how my name I maintain. I didn't maintain the single one, so I get.
All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So before we go off, we want to use 1 minute and maintain just crack one small joke for when I'm gonna see. But before that, the last question we did here we say, help us differentiate between MCs and comedians, because I say these days some people will just enter MC work. If let's say they misquote and say they still be comedians, and if they come show, they know they feel crack joke. What they go they talk sometimes they maybe like say, may I purge. Now I go toilet, me I just vomit something out. So I want me help us differentiate between MCs and comedians today, abeg.
Yeah, the difference between MC and comedian, the way from my own perspective, you see, there are very simple differences. MC, when I talk about MC, master of ceremony, na person wey go make that ceremony happen. Na person wey go make that ceremony happen. Everything wey dey happen for that ceremony, the ceremony bad na him. If you good, na him. When I talk about comedian, na person wey go crack joke, make people laugh. But as a MC wey dey tell people, as a MC, you cannot be a full-time MC when you are not cracking joke.
Yeah.
You cannot be a full-time MC, say I be full-time MC, I be master of ceremony, and you know they crack joke. How you want to become the master of ceremony when people know they happy? When people are not laughing, people know they laugh.
Not true.
But for comedian, you crack your joke, you waka go. But your joke must sweet.
Okay, okay, wait. You dey talk of joke, crack joke since like say. Before I go talk this one now, MCs more I understand. Not be everybody be MC. Some MCs for our city, our base city. If una come show, come dey form comedians, they irritate me. I no go lie. They talk about TV, they irritate me. We're gonna go learn how to crack. If you don't get joke, we're gonna stop the copy joke. We're gonna stop the copy celebrities joke. We're gonna go read joke book, create joke, write joke. But lastly, you say you crack joke, you must be funny. Make me laugh. If I don't laugh, you're in trouble. So you're gonna embarrass my team forever.
My guy said, don't you laugh? That means you're in trouble. Yeah, firstly, ladies and gentlemen, today, as I take no see, if I come here, Bishop no go give me better food. Now from my dream, one first dream. I don't go lie when I dream, I see Buhari. I'll ask my mother, so tell me the meaning of the dream, what I dream. So, but still yet, I bet when I comment go matter a lot because I will still read on our comments. When you see Buhari for your dream, waiting in me. I beg my people, when you see Buhari for your dream, waiting in me. But nevertheless, things don't dey hard though for this Nigeria. As soon as they take no ordinary rat medicine, OFC, they go dey sell fake rat medicine these days. Fake rat medicine. If they think they disturb me. But one good thing I want to talk. If you buy rat medicine, I beg. If you buy rat medicine, try test them. Because the thing they salty in nature. I beg you go here like say they salt. If you buy rat medicine, try test them.
Make I test them.
Try test them.
I fit buy bring me you test.
No, you test them. You understand? I beg my people, gossip, you know good. I suppose come this studio early, but the motor I enter, the gossip wey just the people go just the gossip. Got one woman gossip. So till I follow and go her house, go hear the remaining gossip. The gossip they studio they take talk about people, parents, people, family, people, husband and wife. They do for house. It is sweet to say motor sha. It is sweet to but when they talk you go bad. But nevertheless, people wey no hear English, I beg like me now, no to understand English well. Now the one I know now they talk. One guy go just see twins from my area. The guy come tell me say Ensimente. These twins, the devil face me, I face you. I say, I face me, I face you. Like I say, the devil face to face. I say, twins, the devil face to face. Now, so one day we just sit down. We just sit down for where we did, where they ever do my show. We just sit down. The girl won't pass. Now she say, Cementin, come on your leg, I want commodity. I say, you want commodity? I say, now if I see the commodity, where you the commodity they go? She say, I'm pressed. I want to go and depress. I say, you are pressed. You want to go and depress? For what? I call the time my guy say, see the guest, you don't even find self. Now friend can say, forget. They say beauty is in the hand of decoder. I say, with decoder, start and alright, no live there. I will still talk this one. I better no rush me. I will still talk because they pay me. I dey speak what I sabi. Anywhere when I see me, I dey speak. I cannot speak what I don't know.
Yeah.
One person just see me for a church. I don't go to church like 3 times. Now she say, Esmete, so you are coming to this church? I say, I dey come. So you are churching in our church? I say, yes, I'm churching your church. People, please speak what you know you can speak. One year do Indomie. I just do Indomie for a cousin sister. The Indomie dey waterish. The Indomie water full. Now she tell her sister, say, look at it. You do Indomie and the Indomie is too watery. I look at say, okay, the Indomie is too watery. I don't talk anything because I'm my neighbors. The next day again, the sister go do Indomie. Pepper 2 plate for the Indomie. Now she said, look at joy. Every day I'll be telling you everything. If you want to do everything, do it well. Look at it now. You do Indomie and there's too much pepper. Now the Indomie is too pepperish. 9 days before yesterday, before I come to house, this girl, I will tell you, come go to Indomie. Come full Maggi for the Indomie. Now the girl call and say, look at it now. Only today now. You do your Indomie. The Maggi is too much in the Indomie. The girl no control. Now let me go to practice. The Indomie is too Maggi. No. The Indomie is too Maggi. No. The Indomie is Maggi. Now so share my people.
Alright. Thank you very much. That was a wonderful one from MC Maintain. The only MC where I say for Zara and I ain't get fire with the vibe, where they cause hypertension. If you didn't MC Maintain, if you crack joke, your belle fit burst. If you get ulcer, it go leave you. If you get BP, it go leave you. If you even get fibroid, it go melt.
That means they tell people say the killer.
So what did they say? Thank you very much. Remember the rules of the program. Make una go comment box. You say you're being a charity because people go see her for this TV as they go. Make una go comment box. Charity, I tell you now. If you lie, drop comments inside the page. Tell us say na true, I been a lie. If you get plenty babes, tell us whether you get plenty babes or not because it's not only one baby get and a charity. Say, but the baby no understand that. We go know with time, sha. Comment go to drop as it happen. So keep watching OFC TV, the home of entertainment, where you get the latest, and definitely you are still getting the latest gist tomorrow, next tomorrow, every day, next year, in fact, every decade you're gonna be getting the latest gist from OFC TV. So peace out, man. Till we come away again.
Now, so my people, once more, thanks to OFC TV for hosting me.
Yeah, man.
Now, big privilege with this.
Yeah, man.
And thanks for the Kuna and Bonds where they buy for me.
Yeah, man.
Before